Before we get into the other methods of this video, you can quickly try this. If you suspect your account has been compromised, check your email first. You can temporarily change your email address on your account through a link in the Discord email address change email. So check the email real quick if your Discord email has been changed, and then set your Discord email to a temporary one and try to recover your account through that way. So guys, you want to go into an incognito mode web browser and just search for Discord. Click on Discord. Once we're here, you want to select login. And now you want to type in the email or the phone number of your Discord account. After you type this in, you want to select forgot your password. They will then send instructions to your email address to change your password. You want to check both your inbox and your spam folder. If you typed in your phone number instead of your email, then the screen will look like this. They're going to send you a code to your phone number. You want to type this in. It will then take you to a page to reset your password. If you typed in your email, Discord is going to send you this email right here. You want to select reset password. Then you want to change your password. After you've changed your Discord password, you want to log into your Discord account. Now in the bottom left, you want to click on settings. You want to go to user settings. And now once we're here, on the left hand side, you want to click on authorized apps. By the way, this will also work on the phone application. It's pretty much the same steps. So now once you're on the authorized apps, if you see anything here that you don't recognize, you want to remove it. You want to click on deauthorize. Next, you want to go to the devices tab. Once we're here, you want to log out of any device that you do not recognize or that you don't use. You could also click on log out all known devices and then sign back on the devices that you want to use. Next, you want to go to the My Account tab. Once we're here, you want to scroll down. Make sure that you have two-factor authentication enabled. You want to download the Authenticator app on your phone and then just follow all the steps that will come up here that will show you. I already have it, so that's why I can't really walk you through it, but it's going to tell you what to do. You just want to enable two-factor authentication using the Authenticator application that you will download on your phone. You can also add your phone number if you haven't already as a backup multi-factor authentication method in case you lose access to your Authenticator app or your backup codes. Also, once you get your two-factor authentication backup codes, make sure that you save them in a safe place. I will personally write it down on a piece of paper and then hide it somewhere. Another thing you could do is just go to Google and then type in recover Discord hacked account, and then you want to go to the Discord forum. My Discord account was hacked or compromised. I would recommend going through this article. It gives you good tips on how to keep your Discord account safe. But really all it is, don't click on any suspicious links that anyone sends you. If anything sounds too good to be true, then it probably is. Scroll down to the very bottom and then select this right here. If you believe your account has been compromised or accessed, you can submit a ticket to the Discord team. So just click right here. You want to sign into your account, sign into Discord support, and you can then send them a ticket. Explain your problem, and then hopefully they can try to recover your account for you.